In this lecture, let's see data types supported by PLSQL. PLSQL has basically four types of data types. Scalars, that is a normal number, character, boolean. Then composite, large objects, that is LOB, and references. Syntax for variable declaration is simple. You have to give variable name followed by whether it is constant or not. If it is not constant, you don't have to mention anything. But if you want to declare that variable as constant, you have to write as constant. Then a data type. If you want it not to be null, then mention that it's not null. And then if you want an initial default value, then you have to mention it as default and then the value. Let's see some data types. So I'm writing declare. In this, let me declare something. So I'm writing says as number, and I'm also giving precision, that is 5,2. What does this mean is total length is 5 digits, out of that 2 after decimal point. Profit as double precision 10 semicolon, and I'm taking name as varchar 10. So let's begin. Let's give some value to cells. So cells equal to 123.45. I'm trying to print it dbms output dot put line into bracket cells semicolon and semicolon. Let's see what output we get. So output is 123.45. Now what if I change the value? So here the limit is I can have only 3 digits here. If I increase it, he will give me error. So let's check this first. Declare cells begin. Here I am changing the value 34.56. Let's try to print this. So I get a value error as numeric or value error, number precision too large, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits here. I can also go for a constant value. So here let's declare this. This is my cells number, so I'm declaring this as constant. Constant means I cannot change it, so for that I have to give some value first, equal to 1, 2, 3. I am also using name as varchar2 default. I'm trying to give a default value to this. Chandan. So let's begin. dbms output dot put line, and here I am giving name cells semicolon and semicolon. So this is my value Chandan 1, 2, 3, that is name concat with cells.